Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is TCL 40R 5G, and in this video I am going to show you how to use AI on this device. Alright, so I am going to show you how to use AI by searching items, and to do this I am going to use Google Lens that we have to firstly install from Play Store. So you have to install this app. Now we can open it. We have to allow access to camera, and for example I am going to search my headphones. So we have to aim on them, and then we have to click on this little button right here. And as you can see, it says that these are AirPods Pro. And that's how you can use Google Lens. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.